I'm going to show you how to remove objects from photos in your iPhone. And it's important to note you do not need a second party app or a third party app. You can do this right on iPhone. So let's go ahead to our camera and I'm just going to take a picture here. So let's take a picture and then we're going to go to that photo. So from here, what we can do is go ahead and click on the photo so you get some options here and go to the menu area at the bottom part of your page here. And all you have to do is look at the menu at the very bottom and go ahead and choose cleanup on the right side. It may take a couple seconds for it to prepare cleanup, but that's going to allow us to remove objects from photos. Once it's ready to go, as it says tap, brush, or circle what you want to remove. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in, and I'm just going to go ahead and color in or choose what I want to remove here. So I'm just going to make a circle and I'm going to surround this entire object here. And it's going to take a couple seconds, but it's going to highlight it and then it's going to use AI to remove that object from your photo. You can always go back and adjust it. If you don't like the shading here, you can always go ahead and use your finger and mark up areas and it will remove it the best way you can. So once you're happy with that, you just want to go ahead and hit done at the top right corner. And then it's going to save that photo just like you edited it. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy once you get the hang of it.